Good afternoon, everyone. In today's class of business studies, I will discuss features of business environment. I have already discussed the names, all the external forces, specific and general forces, interrelation, uncertainty, complex, dynamic, relativity. Here are 7 features of business environment. So let's discuss them. The main features of business environment are: first, all the external forces. So it is written business environment includes all the forces, factors, institutions which are external to business organization. Okay, all the forces. External means outside the organization. Specific and general forces. Business environment includes both specific and general forces. Now understand what are which are specific forces, which are general forces. Specific forces affect business enterprises directly and immediately in their day to day in their day to day, just correct the spelling, day to day, day day to to day to day working in their day to day, not day day to day working. These include suppliers, investors, customers, etc. So these are internal factors which directly influence and immediately affect internal factors. They are supplier, investor, customer. General forces are, now understand, general forces are, these are pest and L. Pest I have discussed in last video: political, economical, social, technological, and L legal. These factors are pest and L: political, economical, social, technological, and legal factors or forces or conditions that impact the other enterprises and affect individual firm only indirectly, means they are indirectly, they are outside the organization. So pest and legal factors are general factors or forces, and customer, supply, and investors are specific forces that affect directly. Next, interrelation. All the forces and factors of business environment are interrelated to each other. For example, you can also write E dot G. Always write E dot G dot in place of EX. It's called exemplified gratia. Either write full name EXAMPLE example, or write E dot G dot for exemplified gratia. EX is wrong. With inclination of youth. Inclination means growth towards. Inclination means झुकाव. With inclination means move. With inclination of youth towards Western culture. As we know, youth are going towards Western culture. The demand for fast food increases. फास्ट फूड की डिमांड इंक्रीज हो रही है जैसे ही हमारे यूथ फॉरेन कंट्री और वेस्टर्न कल्चर को मूव कर रहे हैं. सो डेट्स इंटर रिलेशन, मीन्स बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट हैज़ इंटर रिलेशन ऑफ ऑल द फैक्टर्स एंड फोर्सेस. फोर्थ वन, अनसर्टेनिटी मीन्स फिक्स नहीं है, अनिश्चित. इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू प्रिडिक्ट द चेंजेस. प्रिडिक्ट मीन्स फोरकास्ट और मेक आइडिया about changes of business environment, as environment is changing very fast. For example, again E dot G dot, for example, in IT, information technology, fashion industry, frequent and fast changes are taking place. Yes, we cannot predict, we cannot forecast, मीन्स हम एक आइडिया नहीं लगा सकते कि कल को हमारा फ्यूचर में सेम एनवायरनमेंट होगा और डिफरेंट होगा, बिकॉज IT टेक्नोलॉजीज आर चेंजिंग वेरी फास्ट and fashion is also, trend is also changing very fast. So business environment has always uncertainty. Next, dynamic. Dynamic means change. Business environment is highly flexible. It's not rigid, it's always flexible, means changeable and keep changing. It is not static or rigid. Okay, means fixed नहीं है, rigid नहीं है. That is why it is essential to monitor or scan the business environment continuously. I have already just discussed. Business scanning means understanding and awareness about business environment. So business change हो रहा है, that's why वी कैन से इट इज़ नॉट स्टैटिक और फिक्स और रिजिड. सो आपको बिजनेस स्कैनिंग करते रहना है. एनवायरमेंट स्कैनिंग यू हैव टू डू ऑल द टाइम. नेक्स्ट, कॉम्प्लेक्स. कॉम्प्लेक्स मीन्स डिफिकल्ट. Business environment is always very difficult or complex. It is very difficult to understand the impact of business environment on the companies. Yes. For example, a change in government policy to increase the text, not text, it is tax, TAX. टैक्स रेट बढ़ रहा है बाय गवर्नमेंट 5% टैक्स रेट बढ़ने से इट विल इफेक्ट द कंपनी इन लार्ज अमाउंट. If government increases tax rate, it will affect the companies. So it is very difficult to understand business environment. और उनका इफेक्ट क्या पड़ेगा ऑन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. टैक्स बढ़ने से 5% टैक्स बढ़ने से सडनली व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट ऑन कंपनीज ऑन देयर इनकम पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. सेवेंथ में रिलेटिविटी. येस, समवेयर इन बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट रिलेटिव फैक्टर्स आर देयर. बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट डिफर्स फ्रॉम कंट्री टू कंट्री. रीजन मीन्स एरिया टू एरिया, as political conditions and cultures are different in different countries. For example, there may be more demand for sarees in India. इंडिया में sarees की डिमांड है as compared to US और UK, United States of America और United Kingdom. As we know, in comparison of foreign countries, Indian women wear more sarees. Some condition in the environment may have different effect on different enterprises. Same condition in environment may have different effect on different enterprises. For example, correct the spelling. E.g. E.g. exemplified Gracia. When consumer organization found pesticides in cold drink, not ants, in cold drink. जब कंज्यूमर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को मिला पेस्टिसाइड कीटनाशक कोल्ड ड्रिंक के अंदर, इट केम एज प्रॉब्लम फॉर कोल्ड ड्रिंक इंडस्ट्री. कोल्ड ड्रिंक इंडस्ट्री के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी बिकॉज कस्टमर विल नॉट बाय इट. बट इट इज़ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर जूस इंडस्ट्री का तो फ़ायदा होगा बिकॉज इफ़ कस्टमर डजेंट बाय एनी कोल्ड ड्रिंक, ही और शी विल बाय जूस. कुछ भी उन्हें ठंडी चीज़ चाहिए सो दे विल बाय कोल्ड ड्रिंक, बट कोल्ड ड्रिंक हैज़ पेस्टिसाइड तो सो दे विल बाय जूस. सो रिलेटिविटी इज़ देयर. एक में प्रॉब्लम होने से दूसरे पे इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है. डेट्स रिलेटिविटी. मीन्स कोल्ड ड्रिंक में पेस्टिसाइड्स है तो कंज्यूमर विल बाय जूस. सो दैट इज रिलेटिविटी. सो here are 7 features or factors of business environment. Just learn them. All the external forces, specific and general forces, interrelation, relativity, uncertainty, complex, dynamic. 7 factors are there. These are important. Just learn them. Also, you can make the project on this topic. Thanks for listening. Next, I will discuss in other videos.